Hi there, I'm Vicki from Aussie Stampers, giving away another prize in this month's Stampers Art Gallery Design Challenge. This month the challenge was Clean and Simple, and I'll be announcing the winner at the end of this video. This is the prize that the winner for this month is going to receive. So I have Flirty Flowers, which is a stamp set with some silhouettes and some outline flowers, so that'll be fun for colouring or for stamping and sponging backgrounds. This is a selection of pieces from the Birthday Celebrations paper, which is very cute, and it's lovely for children too, for birthday cards. And this is what it looks like on the back, really bright and colourful on the back. I love this little chef, little party hats, gifts, some stars, really bright spots and some stripes, as well as these little sticky notes which I have from the company called Little Bee. And these I love because they're sculpted. You can see they've got some pieces sculpted out of the top of them, and it has these adorable little penguins, which is perfect for our weather down here in Australia at the moment. It's quite cold. If you'd like to be in the running to win the prize next month, then hop on over to Stampers Art Gallery and join our group. We're having a lot of fun posting photos on the wall, and there's a lovely, lively discussion going on over there. Nice, friendly group it is. So come along and join us. So I'm now going to announce the winner of this week's challenge. Good luck, everyone. Congratulations to Shirley O'Hearn, who is the winner of this month's prize, and I'll be popping your prize in the post for you this week. Come along and join us in Stampers Art Gallery. See you soon. Bye for now.